Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make a text box background transparent in a Outlook. So guys, let's start. At first, open a document. Firstly, going to the insert menu option and click for the drawing option. Then click for the text box option. Then create a text box. Then text box is the right and write your text, and text is the select and click for the text option and then any size font. Then text is the bold option. Then we can show the text box background transfer is the click for the shape and click for the shape fill option and click for the no fill option, then for OK, then click for the save and close. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.